Does life ever feel overwhelming to you? Does all the noise make it hard to think? Do you have a hard time finding time for yourself? The truth is, no matter how overwhelming that noise becomes, there's a simple way you can heal every single day. Create Right Now shows health-conscious people how to start and keep a therapeutic journaling practice and learn how a therapeutic journey can begin with nothing more than your own pen and notebook. Writing your thoughts and emotions down in an honest way helps give context to your life, and it allows you to dig deep into your soul, giving you a chance to understand and change yourself and the world around you. That's why Create Right Now is offering journaling power courses and customized journaling power sessions so all health-conscious people can learn how to heal, grow, and transform their life. Heal your issues in your tissues. Get back in charge of your life. Give yourself the gift of journaling power at CreateWriteNow.com today and start creating and enjoying the happier, healthier life you want to live.